Currently, we are at this stage, and what we need to do is we need to check out from Fatih development branch into master branch and then merge Fatih development branch into master branch. Let's make it. I am checking out from Fatih development branch into master branch, and then I'm gonna merge Fatih development branch into master branch. Let's merge it. I'm selecting the Fatih development branch and pressing. Wow, what has happened? There is a merge conflict. A conflict occurs in case of both branches have modified exactly the same place. For example, the current branch printed out the summation, and the Fatih development branch, which is the other branch, has printed out the subtraction. If there is a conflict, our Git software does not know how to merge these two code snippets. That's why what it is doing is he is putting these marks. The head mark is representing the current branch changes, and the bottom section represents the other branch changes, which is in this case the Fatih development branch changes. What we can do is we can modify these changes by selecting the current branch changes or by selecting the other branch changes. Or what we can do is we can combine these changes, or we can also modify these changes. For modifying, Visual Studio Code is a very useful tool. My technique in resolving some conflicts is I am coming to the file status and I see that the main.java has a conflict in it. And I'm going to my project directory basically, and then opening the corresponding file with the Visual Studio Code. And Visual Studio Code has its own merge tool basically, and then here I can accept the current change, I can accept the incoming change, I can accept the both changes. For example, let's accept the both changes in this case and then save this file. Now we resolved the conflict, and I am closing this window and I am again coming to my SourceTree software. Since I have done the changes right now and my SourceTree software also indicates it, I am transmitting the changes into the staging area. And then here our SourceTree software indicates the conflicts. I am deleting it since I have resolved the conflicts, and then I am committing my changes. After committing the changes, as you see, we have a successful commit and we resolved the conflict while making this commit. In the next tutorial, we will jump into remote repository git commands, and I'm gonna explain you all of the commands which are related with the remote repository. I'm gonna see you in the next video.